Hello everybody and welcome to my 56th VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to create a drop-down box with your ActiveX controls. So very similar to the text box. If we just delete off the text box and then insert, and in fact let's just control Z that, let's add in an extra one. So we'll have our name, and then we'll have a combo box as well. So combo box is this one here, and if we select it and highlight across like this, and then you'll notice that it's got a drop down on the end. So in order to fill that drop down, let's just put in some entries here. So let's just have Jan, Feb, March, April, May. I don't know why I'm writing them. Let's click and drag them down. And then this is going to be our list. So let's call this months. Then in here, if you go to properties, and then we go to list box fill range, and then we just need to put in sheet 1, and then we can either reference it using H1 through to H12, or because I've just given them a name, I can just use the months. And obviously not, because it doesn't like it. H1 to and why doesn't it like that? Because it hasn't named them. Highlight them again, name them to months. And then back into here, this fill range. So sheet 1 months. And then when we come out of design mode and we click on this drop down, you'll notice that they're all sat there and we can select them and it will fill out our box here. And then similarly to the text box, if we give this a name, so drop down month. And then if we go into our code, then we can take that value out of it. So if we dim month as string, and let's call it user month, just so we don't confuse it with any keywords. And then user month equals this workbook dot sheet 1 dot drop down month dot value. Reference it in exactly the same way, and then we can just use it in here. So now when we click this button, come out of design mode, submit. Hello Matt Sands, your request for month March will now be processed. So that is how you use a drop-down list. That's going to be it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you use a spin button. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.